Today we will start with drilling machine because in machine tools we have to study lathe machine, drilling machine, milling machine and grinding machines. In that we have to see the classification of different machines, then construction of different machines and operations on going to be performed on these drilling machines on these machines. So today we are going for the drilling machines. Introduction. What is drilling? Is an operation in which holes are produced in the work by means of revolving tool called as drill. The holes produced by drilling operations are not perfect. It is considered as a roughing operation. The finishing of the hole is carried out by an operation known as reaming. Reaming operation is carried out with the help of tool called as reamer. Machine which is used for performing drilling operation is called as drilling machine, which is going to be called as drilling machines. Okay. Principles of drilling. The metal cutting operation which produces holes in the workpiece by using drill is known as drilling. The drill is provided with two cutting edges in order to remove material in the form of chips. The drill is given to motions, that is rotary motions and linear motions. Rotary motion. The drill is provided with rotary motion about its axis. The motor is known as primary or cutting motion. Second one is linear motion. Work is mounted on the table of the machine and drill is made to feed in the work by giving it a linear motion. The motion is called as feed and it controls the thickness of the chip. It controls the thickness of the chip. Now we will see the classification. Classification is पोर्टेबल ड्रिलिंग मशीन और इट इज़ ऑल हैंड ड्रिलिंग मशीन्स. अपने घर में समझे सब लोगों ने यूज़ किया होगा. जब क्या कारपेंट्री का काम हो रहा होता होगा या कोई कारपेंट्री का काम होता होगा या कुछ कौन सा इलेक्ट्रिक का काम होता होगा, वो टाइम में हम लोगों ने हैंड ड्रिलिंग मशीन यूज़ किया है. नेक्स्ट इज सेंसिटिव ड्रिलिंग मशीन एंड बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन. नाम ही सजेस्ट करता है बेंच ड्रिलिंग मशीन, मतलब बेंच के ऊपर बिठाया होता है, छोटा टाइप का ड्रिलिंग मशीन रहता है लेकिन एक्यूरेसी ज़्यादा रहती है. अपराइट ड्रिलिंग मशीन, रेडियल ड्रिलिंग मशीन, गैंग ड्रिलिंग मशीन, मल्टी स्पिंडल ड्रिलिंग मशीन एंड डीप होल ड्रिलिंग मशीन. दिस इज द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑल द ड्रिलिंग machines. One is portable drilling machine, can be carried and used anywhere in the workshop. It is used in drilling holes on workpiece in any position, which is not possible in standard drilling machine. The entire drilling mechanism is compact and small in size, so can be carried out anywhere. This type of machine is widely adapted of automobile built work. The motor is generally universal type. These machines can accommodate drills from 12 mm to 18 mm diameter up to it is not from, it is up to. Portable drilling machines are operated at high speeds. Sensitive drilling machine, it is designed for drilling small holes at high speeds in light jobs. High speed and hand feed is necessary for drilling small jobs. The base of the machine is mounted either on a bench or on the floor by means of bolt and nuts. It can handle drills up to 15.5 mm diameter. The drill is fed into work purely by hand. The operator can sense the progress of drill into the work because of hand feed. The machine is named so because of this reason. Sensitive drilling machine consists of base, column, table, spindle, drill head and driving mechanism. Base is made up of cast iron, so can withstand vibrations. It may be mounted on a bench or a floor. It supports the other parts of the machine. Column stands vertically on base at one end and it supports the work table and the drill head. The drill head has drill spindle and driving motor either side of the column, either side of the column. यहाँ पे अगर देखा होगा आपने, यहाँ पे मोटर है जो एक साइड में, कॉलम की एक साइड में. Table is mounted on a vertical column, can be adjusted up and down on it, and table has T slots on it for holding the workpieces or to hold any other work holding devices. The table can be adjusted vertically and accommodate workpiece at different heights and can be clamped at required position and required angular position. Drill head Drill head is mounted on the top side of the column. The drill spindle and driving motor are connected by means of V-belt and cone pulleys. The motion is transmitted to the spindle from motor by the belt. The pinion attached to the handle meshes to the rack on the sleeve of the spindle for providing the drill the required downfeed. There is no power feed arrangement in this machine. The spindle rotates at a speed ranging from 500 to 50 rpm to 2000 rpm. Upright drilling machine. The upright drilling machine is designed for handling medium-sized workpieces. Though it looks like a sensitive drilling machine, it is larger and heavier than sensitive drilling machines. Holes diameter up to 50 mm can be made with this type of machine. Beside it's supplied with power feed arrangement. It is supplied with power feed arrangement. For drilling different types of work, the machine is provided with number of spindle speeds and feed. There are two different types of upright drilling machines. ACC ordering to cross section of the column. They are round column section upright drilling machines and box column section upright drilling machine. The main parts of the drilling machine are base, column, table and drill head. Base, which is made up of again cast iron to withstand vibrations, it is set by cutting action. It is erected on the floor of the shop by means of bolts and nuts. It is it is the supporting member as it supports column and other parts on it. The top of base is accurately machined and has T slots when large workpieces to be held. Column stands vertically on the base and supports the work table and driving mechanism. It is designed to withstand vibrations set up due to cutting action at high speeds. Table is mounted on the column and can be adjusted up down on it. It is provided with T-slot for workpieces to be mounted directly on it. Table may have following adjustment: vertical adjustment obtained by the rack of the column and the pinion on the table, and the rack, column and pinion in the table. The circular adjustment about its own axis. After the required adjustment are made, the table is clamped on this position. Drill head is mounted on the top column. It houses driving and feeding mechanism of the spindle. The spindle can be provided with hand and or power feed. There are separate hand wheels for quick hand feed and sensitive hand feed. The handle is spring loaded so that drill spindle is released from the work when the operation is over. A radial drilling machine. The radial drilling machine is intended on drilling on medium to large or heavy workpieces. It has heavy round column mounted on large base. The column supports a radial arm which can be raised and lowered and enable the table to accommodate workpieces of different heights. The arm, which has drill head on it, can swung around at any position. This head can be rotated by 360 degrees. The drill head can be made slide by on the radial arm. This can be slide. This total unit. The machine is named because of this reason. It consists of parts like base, column, radial arm, drill head and driving mechanism. The base is large rectangular casting is mounted on the floor of the shop. Its top is accurately finished to support column at one end and the table on the other end. T slots are provided on it for clamping workpieces. The column is a cylindrical casting which is mounted vertically at one end of the base. It supports the radial arm and allows it to slide up down on its face. The vertical adjustment of the radial arm is effected by rotating a screw passing through a nut attached to the arm. Electric motor is mounted on the top of the column by rotating the elevating screw. Radial arm is mounted on the column parallel to the base can be adjusted vertically. The vertical front face is accurately machined to provide guideways for the drill head. The drill head can be adjusted along the guideways according to the location of the work. In some machines, the separate motor is provided for this movement. The arm may be swung around the column. It can also move up and down to suit the workpieces of different heights. Drill head is mounted on radial arm and houses the mechanism for driving the drill at different speeds and at different feet. A motor is mounted on top of the drill head for this purpose to adjust the position of the spindle with respect to work. The drill head may be made to slide on the guideways of the arm. The drill head can be clamped in position after spindle is properly adjusted. Gang drilling machine has long column table and base. 4 to 6 drill heads are placed side by side. Drill heads have separate driving motors. This machine is used for production work. A series of operations like drilling, reaming, counterboring and tapping may be performed on the work by simply shifting the workpiece from one position to another. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each spindle is set for different tools for different operations. Multi-spindle. This machine is used for drilling number of holes in a workpiece simultaneously and for reproducing the same pattern of holes in a number of identical pieces. The multi-spindle drilling machine has also several spindles and single motor using a set of gear drives of all the spindles. The spindles holding the drills are fed into the work at the same time. The distance between the spindles can be altered according to the locations where holes are to be drilled. Drill jigs are used to guide the drills. Deep hole drilling machines, a special machine and drills are required to drill deeper holes in gun barrels of gun, spindles and connecting rod. The machine is designed for this purpose is known as deep hole drilling machine. High cutting speed, less speed are necessary to drill deep holes. Non-rotating drill is fed slowly into the rotating work at high speed. Coolant should be used while drilling in this machine. There are two different types of deep drilling machines. Now tomorrow we will see the different operations going to be performed on the drilling machines. Okay, today we have seen classification and constructions of different types of drilling machines. Okay, thank you.